Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 16th of January. And first of all, national news. Government mulls monthly yearly toll passes for passenger vehicles. Top court deliberated on making color-coded stickers mandatory for vehicles. Need to neutralize religious conversions through allurement, Vice President. SBI charge ex Prasar Bharati officials in corruption case. India's spirit of service, a symbol of secularism, PM Modi. Kalinga Literary Festival unveiled long-listed titles for 4th Annual Book Awards. Over 50,000 QR codes at electric poles installed to help locate lost pilgrims at Mahakumbh. Now, international news. Hamas accepted Gaza ceasefire draft agreement, hostage release plan, a report said. North Korean troops blowing themselves up to avoid capture in Ukraine. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg to attend Trump inauguration, a report said. Now some sports news. India tennis star Yuki Bhamri crashed out of Australian Open 2025 after defeat to wildcard entrants. Champions Trophy ticket price higher in Dubai, dirt cheap in Pakistan. India scripted history with score of 435, smash multiple women's ODI records. Now news related to business. Budget may increase import duties to check rupee decline, EY chief policy advisor. Sensex rose 400 points in early trade as markets open in green. And that's all in news. Thank you.